Hey guys, we're gonna make some crabapple jelly from a crabapple tree. It's a little late in the year to be doing this. It's about the middle of November right now. But yeah, we're gonna try it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I think we should like spread these out on the ground, right? And then we can try shaking the tree to get the maximum down with the minimum effort. Okay, so the sheet that my brother Ben grabbed, the one that I thought we shouldn't get, that one was fitted, so we can't use that one now. So we got a new sheet, thanks Josh. So now we're gonna shake the tree, the portions of the tree that have blankets under them, and try to get them without shaking the tree that would release berries onto the ground.
Oh, hold on. They're missing the. They're missing. There's a lot missing the thing. Go, grab that one and move it to there.
What's the brown one?
Yeah.
Okay, so shaking wasn't doing too much good. So we're gonna use another method, an older method, which is just hit the branches with a big stick and hope that stuff falls off. Update, we just got done hitting the trees with sticks and we're organizing the berries into good ones and bad ones. This is all the good ones and we just throw the bad ones out into the lawn. So far I'd say we have about 4 to 5 to 6 ounces and we need about half a pound, which is 8 ounces. Okay, so we just separated out the berries into the good ones and the bad ones. This is the good ones. We need about 8 ounces for half a pound. Let's see how many we have. Alright, about 12 ounces. So yeah, that's good.
Oh, okay, great. We're done.
Yeah, that's good. The next step in the jelly making is to remove the stem and the little branch parts that came off from the berries. We have lots, so this might take a while. So we pulled off the stems and we washed them. So now we're going to boil them. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in there, cover it with water, and then boil it for about half an hour to make them soft and mushy.
Just cover it. Needs a little more water.
Okay, so apparently we didn't watch close enough because all the water boiled away, and so the crab apples burned and stuck to the bottom of the pan.
Obviously, we scraped it up and added more water.
Yeah, so with more water in, it's going to be a darker red. It looks kind of brownish now, but we're going to strain it and get rid of all the juice. So then we just have the softened crab apples. Alright, so it's been a few days, but we're gonna go ahead and make the jelly, although you don't have to wait, you can just do the steps without waiting. So the 3 ingredients here, we have a lemon, which we're gonna squeeze for the juice. We have the crabapple jelly from the berries, and we have 3/4 cup of sugar.
So how do we know how much sugar to use?
Well, we found a recipe online.
You're supposed to use 7 parts sugar to 10 parts juice. So that's about a cup of juice. Okay.
Well, that's how we knew how much was. Alright, So we have the lemon in the juicer. I'm going to squeeze down the juicer to get all the juice out.
Wow. He knows how to use a juicer.
Shut up.
That's so loud.
Be quiet. Okay, now we're gonna put it on a simmer and wait.
Wait. Okay, so right now we're boiling the jelly down. The jelly contains a lot of sugar, and the fruit juice contains some pectin, which is a protein that will help gel the jelly. We need to reduce the amount of water in the jelly until there's a high enough concentration of sugar that it will set. So we have a thermometer in, and it's telling us how hot it is. The liquid, not the metal, needs to be at about 220 degrees, and at that point it should be ready to set. Right now it's about 214. As we go, we have been skimming off some of the white foam that's been forming at the top of the jelly. The point of that is to get it a little clearer.
Okay, so after about 15 minutes of boiling, we put a spoon in the freezer, took it out, and the liquid kind of condensed on the jelly.
Let's look at that. Yeah, see? It's gelled.
Yeah, we have jelly. Yay.
So, turn it off. Okay, we're gonna cool that down and see if it will congeal in that jar over there. Pouring it in. Make sure that you get the drips.